Hey, what's up drummers? This is part 2 of the intermediate drum fill. This will change the way you think about drum fills. Let's do it. Alright, if you haven't watched part 1 of this video already, we covered the first pattern we're going to call pattern 1, and that is right, left, kick. It sounds like this. Alright, so we took that in the last video and we played that as our drum fill, just those 6 notes, right, left, kick, to get a drum fill that would sound like this. And now I'm going to introduce another group of 6 notes. But first, if you're brand new to drumming and you don't know where to begin and you just need some tips and tricks, head over to drummer101.com after the lesson, download my free course for beginners. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's get back to it. And that pattern is going to be right, left, kick, right, left. It's going to sound like this. Okay, so we're still keeping the 16th note triplet count, 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a, and I'm going to speed that up for you a little bit faster. Okay, so once you're comfortable with this pattern on one surface, feel free to start moving it around. Start slow, take baby steps, and start to speed it up, and you'll get this. Alright, so this is where things get a little bit more exciting. We can take that pattern from our previous video and we can combine it with this new pattern. So instead of having only 6 notes, we have a group of 12 notes. So let's just try to play pattern 1 and then pattern 2. So the full pattern would be right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Let's check it out. All right, a little bit faster. All right, let's see what that would sound like as our drum fill. All right, let's get a little bit more creative and mix up these patterns. We're going to play a combination of pattern 2, 2, 1, 2. Let's check it out. All right, let's take that combo and play it a little bit faster. Okay, so even before you jump in and start moving it around the drum set, try to come up with 3 or 4 good combinations of these patterns just on your snare drum and your bass drum only. So just throwing out random patterns, we could go pattern 1, pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 2. It's not that creative, but it gets the job done. Let's check it out. Okay, that'll work for now. Let's do pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 1, pattern 2. And I'm going to move my right hand to the hi-hats. All right, there you go, part 2 of changing up the way you think about drum fills. Make sure you go over to drummer101.com, sign up for the free lessons, and I'll see you guys later.